Good evening. My name is Pam Webb, 46424 Meadow Lane, Macomb, Michigan. Member of Puppy Mill Awareness also. We're a very large group. We've had over 644 activities, whether it's educating the public or peaceful protests. But I just want to say I think some may be missing the bigger issue. The issue is not just this one store and whether it's clean enough or the puppies are healthy enough. It's the puppy mill industry. That's what we are trying to, act against. Chicago passed its ordinance not because it went into these stores and deemed them substandard and unsatisfactory and dirty stores. They passed their ordinance because they are puppy mill dogs and the industry is filthy and it's cruel. So I just want to say that we're going to, like Sharon said before, we're going to continue our peaceful protests at the Gibraltar Trade Center. Thank you.
Thank you.